Are you an adventure lover looking for the perfect waterproof action camera to capture your thrilling moments? In today's video, we'll dive into the top 5 best waterproof action cameras, highlighting their key features, pros, and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Sixmou SU7 waterproof action camera. The Sixmou SU7 waterproof action camera offers a blend of cutting-edge features for capturing high-quality video and images in a compact, durable package. With its 5K video resolution, robust image stabilization, dual screens, and waterproof capabilities, it stands out as a solid option for outdoor enthusiasts and action sport lovers. We'll explore the pros and cons of the Sixmou SU7 to help you determine if it's the right choice for your adventure needs. Pros: 5K video quality and image stabilization. The Sixmou SU7 excels in providing high-resolution 5K video, allowing you to capture crisp, detailed footage. With its Sony CMOS sensor and 4-core processor, the camera is designed to produce high-quality video and images, making it an excellent choice for filming outdoor sports. The 6-axis electronic image stabilization further enhances the footage by minimizing shakes and jitters, even during fast movements or rough conditions like mountain biking or skiing. This feature ensures smooth, professional-looking videos. Dual screens for convenience. This camera is equipped with both a 2-inch rear touchscreen for easy playback and operation and a 1.4-inch front screen ideal for selfies and vlogging. The front screen allows users to frame themselves properly when taking selfies or recording videos, making it an excellent tool for influencers or travelers who want to capture moments while on the go. Built-in Wi-Fi for seamless sharing. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Sixmou SU7 makes it easy to connect to your smartphone via the app. You can instantly view, download, and share your footage with friends and family or on social media. The ability to remotely control the camera via your smartphone adds convenience, making it a great choice for both amateurs and professionals looking for efficient footage sharing. Cons: small front screen may limit framing. While the 1.4-inch front screen is great for selfies, its small size may not offer the same level of precision and ease of framing as a larger screen would. Users who require more detailed control over their shot composition may find the front screen limiting, especially when trying to capture wide-angle scenes or fast-moving subjects. The Sixmou SU7 waterproof action camera is a highly capable and versatile tool for anyone looking to capture high-quality footage during their outdoor adventures. With features like 5K video resolution, impressive image stabilization, dual screens, and built-in Wi-Fi, it's an excellent choice for athletes, vloggers, and travelers who want to document their experiences. Coming in at number 4, we have the Akaso EK7000 waterproof action camera. The Akaso EK7000 waterproof action camera is a budget-friendly option that brings 4K video recording and impressive features typically found in high-end models. Designed for adventure seekers, sports enthusiasts, and travelers, the EK7000 promises to deliver clear, stable footage in a variety of conditions, from underwater to high-speed activities. But like any action camera, it has its strengths and limitations. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Akaso EK7000 to help you decide if it's the right camera for your needs. Pros: impressive 4K video and 20MP photos. The Akaso EK7000 records video in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, providing incredibly sharp and detailed footage, especially for an action camera in its price range. Additionally, it captures 20MP photos, ensuring crisp and clear still images. This makes the camera a strong contender for users who want high-quality video and images without the hefty price tag typically associated with 4K action cameras. Smooth stabilization with ICE. The built-in electronic image stabilization, ICE, is a standout feature, offering smooth and steady footage even when you're on the move. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports, biking, or underwater activities, ICE helps eliminate shakiness, making the footage more professional-looking. This feature is especially useful for action-packed adventures or capturing stable footage in motion. Waterproof up to 131 ft. The Akaso EK7000 comes with a waterproof case that allows you to take it up to 131 feet underwater. Whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or diving, the camera can withstand the pressure and deliver high-quality footage. This makes it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want to document their water-based adventures without worrying about damaging their camera. Cons: limited battery life. One of the most common drawbacks for action cameras in this price range is battery life. The Akaso EK7000 doesn't have the longest battery life, especially when shooting in 4K or using Wi-Fi. Expect around 60-90 minutes of recording time on a single charge, which may not be sufficient for long adventures. However, additional batteries can be purchased separately, so you can swap them out for extended filming. The Akaso EK7000 waterproof action camera is a solid choice for those seeking a budget-friendly option that offers 4K video recording, smooth stabilization, and waterproof capabilities. Its user-friendly features, such as the wireless wrist remote, built-in Wi-Fi, and extensive accessories, make it versatile for a variety of activities. At number 3, the Hiicam Speed 60 Bare Waterproof Action Camera. The Hiicam Speed 60 Bare Waterproof Action Camera offers a robust set of features tailored for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and athletes who need a high-performance camera to capture their adventures. With its 4K recording, dual screens, waterproof capabilities, and advanced stabilization, it promises a top-notch experience. However, like any product, it comes with some trade-offs. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros: built-in waterproofing and enhanced depth protection. The Hiicam Speed 60 offers an excellent waterproof design right out of the box. It can dive up to 33 ft without any additional protection. For deeper dives, it comes with a waterproof housing that allows you to go as deep as 131 ft. This makes it an ideal choice for swimmers, divers, surfers, and other water sports enthusiasts who need reliable performance underwater. High-resolution 4K video and 30MP photos. This action camera delivers high-definition 4K video recording at 60 fps, providing crisp, clear footage even in fast-moving situations. It also captures 30MP photos, making it an excellent option for both videography and photography. Whether you're recording high-speed action or capturing a scenic view, the Speed 60 offers versatile, high-quality image output. Dual screens for convenience. The dual-screen design is one of the highlights of the Speed 60. It features a large 2.35-inch touchscreen on the rear for easy navigation and playback, while the 1.4-inch front screen allows for effortless selfie capturing. The front screen is especially useful for vloggers or solo travelers who need to frame themselves properly for videos and photos. Advanced image quality with anti-fog lens protector. The Speed 60 is equipped with a 7-layer glass lens that ensures clear, high-quality footage in various conditions. Additionally, it includes a removable anti-fog lens protector, which helps maintain visibility in humid or wet environments, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures, even in challenging weather conditions. Cons: small front screen size. While the 1.4-inch front screen is great for selfies and vlogging, it may feel cramped for users who prefer a larger viewfinder to frame their shots more precisely. This could be a challenge for those who need detailed control over shot composition, especially when capturing fast-moving subjects or wide scenes. The Hiicam Speed 60 Bare Waterproof Action Camera is a feature-packed choice for adventurers, athletes, and content creators who need a durable and high-performance camera for their outdoor activities. In the second spot, we have the DJI Osmo Action 4 Waterproof Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is an advanced 4K action camera designed for adventure seekers, vloggers, and content creators looking to capture high-quality footage in extreme conditions. With its impressive low-light performance, wide field of view, and advanced stabilization, it promises to deliver smooth, cinematic videos whether you're exploring rugged terrains or capturing adrenaline-pumping activities. But as with any camera, the Osmo Action 4 has its pros and cons. Let's break down what makes this action camera stand out and where it might fall short. Pros: exceptional image quality. The Osmo Action 4 stands out for its superb image quality thanks to its 1.3-inch sensor. This large sensor allows the camera to deliver crisp, clear footage even in low-light conditions, outperforming many action cameras in this price range. Whether you're filming in the early morning or late evening, you can count on vivid, detailed shots. Vibrant colors and stunning detail. With the 10-bit color and D-Log-M color profile, the Osmo Action 4 is able to capture vibrant, true-to-life colors. This feature is particularly impressive when shooting golden sunrises or sunsets, giving the footage a cinematic quality that will captivate your audience. For vloggers and filmmakers, The color performance makes this camera an appealing choice for high-quality content creation. Long battery life in extreme conditions. The Osmo Action 4 is designed to perform even in harsh cold environments. Capable of withstanding temperatures as low as 20 degrees, it's a reliable choice for outdoor adventures in wintry conditions. With up to 150 minutes of continuous recording, it ensures you won't miss important moments, even during extended shoots in challenging climates. Ultra-wide 155 field of view. This action camera's 155 ultra-wide FOV makes it perfect for immersive shots, whether you're capturing landscapes, sports, or action-packed sequences. This wide view ensures that your footage is dynamic and gives your viewers a truly captivating experience. Magnetic Quick Release for easy switching. The Magnetic Quick Release feature is a game-changer, offering seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical shots. This makes it incredibly versatile, as you can quickly change perspectives without needing to adjust mounts or the camera position. This flexibility enhances creative freedom and simplifies filming in different orientations. Cons. Not as rugged as other models. While the Osmo Action 4 is built to endure harsh conditions and temperatures, it doesn't quite match the level of ruggedness seen in some other action cameras like the Gopro Hero series. For those who need a camera that can withstand the most extreme physical impacts or underwater adventures without any added protection, this may not be the ideal choice. The DJI Osmo Action 4 waterproof action camera offers exceptional image quality, low light performance, and an array of innovative features that make it a top choice for both adventurers and content creators. And finally, at number 1, we have the GoPro Hero 12 waterproof action camera. The GoPro Hero 12 is a top-tier action camera that takes everything enthusiasts love about GoPro and improves on it, offering enhanced features for video and photo quality, stabilization, and durability. Designed to capture stunning visuals during extreme activities, it stands as one of the most popular cameras in the action camera market. This video is an in-depth look at the GoPro Hero 12's pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros. Unmatched video and photo quality. The GoPro Hero 12 boasts incredible image resolution, recording 5.3K video that offers 91% more resolution than 4K and 665% more than 1080p. This level of detail brings your footage to life, perfect for capturing action-packed scenes with stunning clarity. Whether you're filming in bright or shadowed environments, the Hero 12's high dynamic range, HDR, feature ensures vibrant colors and accurate contrasts, maintaining incredible precision in both photos and videos. With the ability to capture 27 megapixels photos and grab high-quality stills up to 24.7 MP from video, you get top-tier image quality for every moment. Emmy Award-winning Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization. The Hero 12 continues to lead the way in image stabilization with Hyper Smooth 6.0, a technology that earned an Emmy Award for its innovation in sensor and software stabilization. It makes sure that even the most intense activities, such as mountain biking, skateboarding, or skiing, are captured with silky smooth footage. The Auto Boost feature maximizes stabilization while minimizing image cropping, ensuring that your footage remains smooth even in the most dynamic environments. Rugged and waterproof design. True to GoPro's legacy, the Hero 12 is incredibly durable and fully waterproof, able to withstand depths of up to 33 feet, 10 meters. Its tough exterior can handle drops, bumps, and exposure to mud, snow, or water, making it perfect for extreme sports enthusiasts, travelers, or anyone who needs a camera built for action. Cons. Limited battery life. While the GoPro Hero 12 includes the Enduro rechargeable battery for extended use, the camera's battery life may still fall short during long shooting sessions, particularly when recording in high-resolution modes like 5.3K. For those who need to film for extended periods, extra batteries or a portable charger may be necessary to avoid interruptions during outdoor adventures. The GoPro Hero 12 waterproof action camera is a top-of-the-line choice for those seeking the best in video and image quality. Its 5.3K video resolution, HDR capabilities, Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization, and rugged, waterproof design make it a standout option for capturing action-packed moments in any environment.